You want to start investing. But every video feels confusing. Stocks, charts, big words. So today, I'm giving you a simple, step-by-step guide to ETF investing. No stress, no guessing. If you can follow steps, you can invest. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. In this video, I'll walk you through ETF investing step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do, even if you're a total beginner. Let's start at step 1. Step 1, understand what an ETF is. An ETF is like a basket. Inside that basket are many different stocks. When you buy one ETF, you buy small pieces of many companies at once. This spreads your risk automatically. It's safer than betting on one stock. Stick around, the next step makes this even easier. Step 2, decide your goal. Before investing, ask one question. What is this money for? Retirement? Long-term growth? Extra income? If your goal is long-term growth, ETFs are a great choice. Knowing your goal keeps you calm when the market moves. Step 3, open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is just an app that lets you invest. It's like a bank account, but for stocks and ETFs. You can open one online in minutes. Look for one with no fees and easy tools. Once it's open, you're ready to invest. Step 4, choose a beginner-friendly ETF. As a beginner, keep it simple. Look for ETFs that track the whole market or big companies. These grow as the economy grows. You don't need many ETFs, one or two is enough to start. Simple beats fancy every time. Step 5, start with a small amount. You don't need thousands of dollars. Many apps let you start with $10 or $25. Some let you buy pieces of an ETF. Starting small builds confidence and momentum. The habit matters more than the amount. Step 6, invest automatically. Set up automatic investing if you can. Same amount, same day, every month. This removes emotion and guessing. You buy when prices are high and low, without stress. This is how beginners win long-term. Step 7, leave it alone. This is the hardest step. Don't check your account every day. Markets go up and down, that's normal. ETFs are built for long-term growth. Time in the market beats timing the market. Stick around, this final reminder is important. Bonus step, avoid these beginner mistakes. Don't chase hot ETFs. Don't panic sell during drops. Don't invest money you need next month. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Stay simple. ETF investing doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these steps, and you're already ahead of most people. Which step are you on right now? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video, How to Start ETF Investing with $100.